Hi everyone and welcome to TechGem's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to take a slow-mo video with your iPhone 14 camera. So for that, first go to your camera app. Now you see a menu here down. You have photos, videos, cinematic, slow-mo. So select slow-mo. As well, you can select which lens to use with your slow-mo video. You have 3x, 1x, 1.5x. I select 1x. And to start your slow-mo video, you can simply tap on this red button here. For example, let me record a slow-mo video here. I have this my purse here, and let me tap on the red icon here, and yep, that's an example. Let me see how it goes. So this is it. You can as well edit your slow-mo video by tapping on this edit here, and from here you can select that the time here. So let me just make it slow from 34 to 297. That's good. When you can as well change the filter. I can choose a filter from here, or you can as well crop it from here, or just turn it around. And when you're done, simply tap on done icon and just let me play it now. So this is how it goes. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.